G'day everyone, Brian from Prime Cuts Lawn Care, Yass, New South Wales, Australia. It's Friday, is it the 7th of August? It's around 1 o'clock. We had a good cracking frost this morning. It was -5, felt like -8. So haven't done anything this morning. I didn't go out to the little farm today. I've got the ZT 6000 52-inch with the dealer, just getting the hydro serviced. I know, Doc, I should be doing them, but it's still under warranty, and get them to do it might cost me a little bit, but I'm okay with that. So prior to this video, there will be you would have seen the Ventrac, which I use the stump grinder, which I'm very happy with. It's a good implement, good machine. But today I'm just going to go across the road to the historic property. I'm just going to mow the front nature strip only with the Toro HDX 30. There's a lot of work going on there. The back paddock is basically a war zone. There's just piles of dirt and rubbish and all that everywhere, and there's a few little bugs out today. I'll just do the front nature strip. The circle garden, there's a pipe that's gone through there, and it hasn't grown much at all. It's buffalo, and the hedge hasn't grown. I did a spray yesterday, which will clean up a few weeds. Next week, or Sunday, we've got a big cold rain front coming through, so it'll be raining for most of the week. The big days are Sunday, Monday, which they're tipping up to an inch of rain on each day. Bit of a reprieve, maybe 5 mils on Tuesday, and I think 10 to 15 on Thursday, and then more a little bit on Friday. So essentially the whole week will be out, so I can have a little bit of a rest, and which I sort of need, even though I went to Brisbane for a little while and had a couple of days off in Sydney, and then a little bit of time down the coast. A little bit more will be good, because if this rain event turns out to be in that 2 to 3 inches of rain, and the weather then subsequently does warm up, it'll be all systems go, and I'll just be flat stick. So anyway, I'll get set up across the road, and we'll do a little bit of mowing. Not push mowing, because it is self-propelled, but you know what I mean. And I like using that HDX 30. I've got more and more used to it, and I like it more and more. So we'll catch you over there soon. it is, everyone, all done. I haven't whippersnipped along the temporary fence line nor the edge. I just wanted to tidy up the grass. It's come up pretty well. I think I said before, this winter grass with the vacuum on the deck, it just pushes it down, then it pops back up again. So that's why I've given it a run over a couple of times. And it scrubs up pretty well. And I needed a bit of exercise today, so a bit of walking, a bit of mowing. So that's pretty much it for today. I'll just take the mower back home. I'm not going inside. There's nothing to do on the circle garden or anything like that. But the Toro goes well, I'm sure you'll agree. I know it was a bit far away, this bit, but that's scrubbed up pretty well as well. So we'll get set up back at my garage. So there it is across the road. See the temporary fence, scrubbed up well. And just coming over to my place, I actually made this yesterday. I made the front with ZT2000. You can just see the change in the colour of the grass with the frosts that have hit and everything. But still looks good, good coverage. It's not brown. So, and then if we get 2 to 3 inches of rain and it warms up, look out. I didn't show, I've pruned my roses right back. You prune them in the dead of winter and they'll power on back. So we'll just get set up at near the garage. May as well show it. And this is the backyard. I made this with the Honda Buffalo HRU. Is it 196? I can't remember all the codes. But it's a beaut mower. So it's just to tidy things up. I have those weeds over there in front. You can see they're turning yellow. That's oxalis. I sprayed it. Sprayed anything down around the fence line. But look out if we get that rain. So all done, everyone. Yeah, I don't know, some people may call it onion grass. I call it winter grass. It's the same as dandelions when the vacuum from the deck pushes them down and then they just bounce back up again. So just running over that twice cleans up a fair bit of it. And the Toro HDX 30, I just have the mulching plug in there. There were a few leaves, so we just push them back into the ground as well. So just depending on what happens on this big southern cold front and rain front coming through, apparently it'll get very windy as well. I think Monday, Tuesday. But it'd be good if we got 2 to 3 inches of rain. It'd be just spot on and lead us into spring really well. So we'll just see what happens from there. Anyway, just sort of a short and sweet one, I think, today. Not much else to report. I may have a bit of Ventrac work coming up, but I'll just keep you posted on that. Won't jump the gun there, which could be exciting. Other than that, not much else going on, particularly this week ahead. So thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you everybody for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll catch you soon.